Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And man, oh man, Grove, I got a couple of things to show you. First of all, it's all about the races, guys. Okay, I mean, if you're not using our races, I think you're doing yourself a disservice now. And I'm a late convert to it, but look what was happening with Grove early. I have six now. This is a I captured this. This was actually moving a lot earlier, of course, than the at 627. It's at 25% now. Well, I was seeing this Grove working right here, and man, oh man, look what it got to, all the way up to $7. However, I also was able to trade this, and I'm not a big pullback trader. This started winning a race right here. So look how it pulled back. It kind of based a little bit here, and then it started winning a race again. And this gave us another opportunity to get into this. I mean, look what it did. It went from $6 all the way up to 721. So guys, use the races. It gives you it allows you to focus just on one window all day long. So I want to get back into the room, and if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.